The ongoing heavy rains have triggered flooding across several parts of the country, destroying roads and homes. In Nairobi, one person has died following the heavy downpour. Government spokesperson Dr. Mwaura says the victim, a 29-year-old woman, was swept away by flash floods on Tuesday night. Meanwhile, the National Police Service is urging Kenyans to exercise caution to avert further tragedies during this ongoing heavy rain season.
The ongoing rains have continued to wreak havoc across the country, with houses, roads and farmlands being destroyed. Along Kangundo Road in Nairobi's Ruai area, traffic was disrupted the better part of the morning following the heavy downpour, with several vehicles being swept away and trapped by flood waters after the Ruai underpass overflowed. An Uber driver was among those affected and reportedly remained trapped in the flood waters for several hours before being rescued safely.
Nilikaa hapo kutoka hiyo saa 8, saa 10 mpaka saa nimetoka kwa gari saa 3. Siku hata nitoke. Nilijaribu kutoka nikashindwa. Hivyo ndio nilienda.
Residents have raised concerns blaming a contractor for poor drainage design during the road construction.
Hii barabara haijakaa kwa muda mrefu. Shida kubwa ya hii barabara ni drainage. Drainage ndio ingekuwa imetengenezwa vizuri juu maji ni mingi. Maji inatoka Embakasi, inatoka pande ya Utawara, inatoka pande ya Upper Hill, yote inaelekea hapa pande ya bypass.
In the capital Nairobi, a 29-year-old woman drowned in yesterday rains. Government spokesperson Mwaura said the victim drowned in a ditch and her body retrieved by well-wishers. Duty officer and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations Kasarani visited the scene, which was processed and documented by crime scene investigators of Kasarani. The body was taken to City Mortuary awaiting identification and post-mortem examination. Meanwhile, the water levels around the Tana River are rising, with Masinga Dam now at full capacity and controlled spillovers underway. The same being done to Kamburu, Gitaru and Kindaruma dams, as residents in low-lying areas, especially Garissa and Tana River, being advised to move to higher grounds to protect lives and property. The National Police Service in a statement says it is staying vigilant and urging the public to take proactive measures to safeguarding themselves and their families. A report by the weatherman indicates that the intensity of the current rains is expected to reduce by the 4th of May. Michael Mondiga for Prime Edition.